So this is the first time we've ordered like a full meal. We've done, I guess we did lunch yesterday, but this is the first time that he's like set up the table with the tablecloth and all that fancy business. Morning. So we got lots of good stuff. Oh, somebody's here. Good morning. All right, so we had that fabulous breakfast in our room, and now we are off the ship. It's a little bit chilly today, but we are waiting for our excursion people to come and pick us up to take us to our sled dog and bushers camp excursion. So it should be super fun. I think the kids are excited for sled dogs. What are you right now? Would you like some help? There it is. So we are getting ready to go up on the unimog. And then afterwards we'll get to shop in the little gift shops, see the pictures, and all of that. Are you guys excited?
Unimog driver today. This is a Mercedes-Benz Unimog, believe it or not. Both the vehicle and driver were made in the 80s, but don't let that scare you. Bart mentioned seatbelts. Did we all find those? Nope. Okay. If you could pull those out, we do ask that everybody buckles up.
Jennings. Hi. Everybody smile. Do you want me to film this one? Smile.
Thinks it's like a ride at Disney World too.
So they're all very excited to go on the run. So we get to play with them and pet them after we go. But right now, they just want to take us. Oh my gosh. Look at these guys. They are pumped.
Ready?
Woo! This is so cool!
Good morning, guys. How are you doing?
Morning.
Good!
How are you?
I'm pretty good, thanks. Where you're training them to slow down and pace themselves. And then you've got a couple of really good older dogs that know when and how to turn, and they'll train each other that.
Oh, cool. I noticed that they keep avoiding the puddles. At least some of them do. Do they? They just don't like to run through them?
I don't know. I wonder if they're just wondering if it's deeper than it looks.
Maybe.
Boy, trying to make a friend out of her. She gets pretty nervous. The rest of them are all pretty sweet and they love some pets.
Hi. Oh, you're a good boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You want to go pet him? You want to pet him? Get up there with Daddy. He's super sweet. Like I am. He's like Dexter. He's like super lovable. Hey, show me your pretty eyes. No? Yeah.
Those mountains you see
Oh,
off
so
the
we
left,
came
that's
to a
actually
little
Canada.
lookout
Those are
point
the Canadian
here.
Rockies, and that was the route to the Goldfields.
So pretty. And way over there in the distance is the cruise ship.
Over there, town's just right around that place.
Excuse me.
Yeah, did it?
Oh, he's so sweet. No, you're not. Oh, so sweet. Oh my.
Feels better, the unimog.
What do you think, Jennings?
Oh, you give him that. Be careful.
Alright, you want to go see the bigger puppies?
But they pick a category, like colors and states. One of them was named after fast food. I'm not sure. I don't know if this splitter's been named or not. These are the ones that are feeding. Yeah.
Dan in the Klondike Mercantile and Trading Company just for a moment. Yeah, this is like your dream come true.
We're going back to Skagway. So that was super cool. That was a great excursion. What did you guys think?
I think it was awesome.
Yeah? Jennings, what did you think?
What?
About what we just did? Gosh,
Squirrel.
so cool. Look at those mountains. Look at that fjord. Oh man, are you alright?
Yep.
The mountains, so beautiful. Alright, got about
Why does my stuffed animal look sad?
I don't know, why does he look sad? Alright, so we came in the Fudge Company. We checked into the Alaskan Brew Company. 45 to 60 minute wait, so we are just kind of mingling. We have our phone number, my phone number, to text when the table is ready, and Jennings has found yet another stuffed animal that he wants to buy here.
That excursion was so amazing. I now want a puppy. It's the cutest little things ever. Getting to ride on the little sled was awesome.
Sorry, I blacked out. I don't know what the screen did.
Oh, all right. So we're going to eat at Skagway Brewing Company and get some of this Spruce Tip beer. Apparently, I guess they originally created tea with the spruce tips, but they said that all the people that came to town or whatever, the gold miners and everything, they didn't want tea, they wanted beer, and so they turned it into that. So we're going to try it out. We just got the crab and artichoke dip. You got to try that out and let us know how it is. Is it good? And then both of us got the Spruce Tip beer, which had a lovely little description on it, and I think it's delicious. What do you think about it? Have you tried it?
Very good.
Yeah. And Aiden got some hot tea, and Jennings got a Sprite, and he wants to show the camera his cute little, back it up, his cute little dog that he bought at the Musher Camp. I got a salmon sandwich that looks amazing. Hey, how my sandwiches look like? We are gonna stroll down they call it Broadway, and finish out shopping and head back to the ship. So it's been a really nice, fun day, and it's absolutely beautiful here in Skagway. So look at that. Oh, where are you going? Okay.
Hello.
So we just came to the Spinnaker Lounge
Yes.
to watch, what's it called?
What's it called?
Yeah, what are we doing?
I don't know.
You're the one that looked it up?
I don't remember the name of it.
Oh, well, it's like a talk from this guy
It's
about
not a talk.
Alaska.
He's got a guitar. He's got a harmonica. It's the history of Alaska.
in an
With
entertaining
some
form.
folksy. It's like folklore of Alaska or something like that.
Yeah.
So
That.
it should be entertaining. I hope.
Yeah, the kids didn't want to come with us.
Can you
So
blame him?
He crossed the Yukon River and he found the bonanza gold below that white mountain just below southeast of Nome, where the rivers are winding, big nuggets they're finding. North to Alaska, go north the rushes on. He crossed the majestic mountains to the valleys far below. He talked to his team of huskies, march as he mushed on through the snow.
What's up?
He was a rock star. You didn't go up against him. I never worked with him.
Let's go!
I was on board the ship with him.
You gotta get out more.
You know you're gonna be on YouTube, right?
Oh, really? All right, so that's great. You gotta lean in.
Look at that.
All right.
So we have had our appetizers. We have had escargot. We just had French onion soup. And I will tell you, the French onion soup is to die for. It's really, really good in Le Bistro. And so we were just watching the mountains pass by.